Hello students, let us solve some more numericals of chemical thermodynamics. Okay, now the question is calculate work done in the decomposition of 132 gram of ammonium nitrate at 100 degree centigrade. Now the question is that we have to find out the work done. Okay, if you concentrate, they have given the reaction. Students, whenever the reaction is given and we have to find out work done, please remember we have to use this formula, W is equal to minus delta nRT, okay, wherein R is having value 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole and temperature would be, like here it is given 100 degree centigrade, will convert it to kelvins. Okay, now so we are having R, we have temperature also, but how do we calculate delta N? That we will see now. Delta N, meaning of delta N is change in the number of moles during the reaction. It is Np minus Nr. Okay, now we don't have Np also and we don't have Nr also. Let us find out Np, Nr using this above chemical equation. Okay, so this chemical equation, if you see, we are having 1 mole of ammonium nitrate, which is giving 1 mole of nitrous oxide and 2 moles of water. So first of all, what we will do, we will find out the number of moles which are present in ammonium nitrate. Okay, so number of moles of ammonium nitrate would be equal to mass of ammonium nitrate, that is 132 upon molar mass of ammonium nitrate. Now molar mass of ammonium nitrate, when you calculate, you will be getting it is 80. Okay, so when we solve this, we are going to get answer as 1.65 moles. Some of you might be thinking, from where do I got 90? It is the molar mass. It is the molar mass. Okay, it is molar mass of ammonium nitrate. Okay, we shall calculate here itself. Now ammonia, that is nitrogen is 14. Okay, then hydrogen is 4. Again nitrogen is 14 and oxygen is 16 into 3, that is 48. So when you add this 14 and 14, you get 28, 28 and 4 you get 32, 32 and 48. So you will be getting 80. Okay, so this is how you got 80 gram per mole. Fine. So now what we have to write is, according to the equation, 1 mole of ammonium nitrate gives 1 mole of N2O and 2 moles of water gas. So if instead of 1 I write 1.65, okay, 1.65 moles of ammonium nitrate, okay, it would give 1.6 moles of nitrous oxide gas plus, now here it is written 2 times 2, so I will write here 2 multiply by 1.65, okay, H2O gas. Fine. So using this, now I can calculate what is delta N. Delta N would be Np minus Nr. So in this case, what is Np? Np would be 1.65 plus 2 into 1.65. Okay, so I write here 1.65, okay, plus, now 2 into 1.65 is what? It is 3.30. Okay, so this is our Np value I have written. This is Np value minus Nr. Now students, look at Nr, that is the reactant. It is solid and number of moles for solid is not considered. We write here it is 0. Okay. So because mole concept is applicable to the gases. So if it is gaseous, so here you have to remember that it is applicable for the gaseous product and reactant. Okay. So when we calculate delta N, we would be getting the answer as plus 4.95 mole. Okay, so this is delta N. Now it will become easy for us to solve, to calculate work done. Okay, so W is equal to minus, I wrote 4.95 into 8.314. R value is by default this only. Okay, it is joule per Kelvin per mole multiply by temperature. Now temperature is given in centigrade. We will convert it to Kelvin. Okay. So how to convert it to Kelvin? By adding 273 to it. So we will be getting 373 Kelvin. Okay. Now if you see carefully, delta N is mole. Okay. And R value is, the unit is joule per Kelvin per mole and temperature's unit is Kelvin. So you cancel the Kelvin, cancel the mole, okay, and we are left out with work done is equal to, it would be minus 15.35, okay, kilojoules. Please note, I have directly converted the answer to kilojoules. So because work done is negative over here, so the answer for the question would be work is done on the system or by the